When it comes to ethical hacking, choosing between Kali Linux and Parrot OS is like picking your favorite tool from a toolbox. Kali is like a Swiss Army knife, packed with all the essential tools you need for penetration testing. On the other hand, Parrot OS offers a sleek interface and focuses on privacy and security. So if you're a beginner, go for Kali for its user-friendly approach. But if you're looking for advanced features and customization, Parrot OS might be your go-to. Ultimately, it's all about personal preference and the specific tasks you need to accomplish.